Chances are you don't know who this man is. The Ossetians do, and they love him. His name is Bega Kochievе. He is renowned in Russia for leading the Chisildy Gorge Rebellion in 1830. Eventually, the rebellion was brought to the Kola Tower where he was from. The Russians went to the tower, 1,500 of them, with much more advanced weaponry, much more advanced tactics, everything, thinking this is going to be a simple little rebellion that we'll put down in 5 minutes. Unfortunately, they underestimated Bega Kochievе and his 30 men. And without getting into all the gory details, Kochievе and his men absolutely kicked the arses of the Russian soldiers. Sadly, eventually, Kochievе was the only man left after the Russians decided to just burn down the tower, and he was apprehended by the Russians. When the Russians put him in prison, they finally thought, yes, that is him dealt with. It was indeed not him finished. He very, very quickly escaped prison, and what happened to him afterwards, we have no idea. There's theories that he passed away shortly after, but we have no idea what happened. We just don't. We probably never will know what happened to Kochievе afterwards. However, while he is now long gone, his memory lives on eternally in Ossetia, and he is regularly used in Ossetian folklore and Ossetian media. Even here on TikTok, if you go on Ossetian TikTok for more than 5 minutes, you will see an edit about this brave Ossetian hero.